question number 66. Let's read it. Positive sol among the following is. Student, among the following, TiO2 sol is a positively charged sol. On the other hand, gold sol, Congo red sol and gelatin all are negatively charged sol. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Moving to next question, which is question number 67. Let's read it. In leaching process of Ag2S, air is used to. Student, in leaching process of Ag2S, air is used to oxidize Na2S into Na2SO4. I'm writing the reaction. Initially, Ag2S reacts with NaCN to give a complex 2Na Ag Cn whole twice plus Na2S. So air is used to oxidize Na2S into Na2SO4. Here air is used to oxidize Na2S into Na2SO4. I'm writing the reaction. 4Na2S plus 5O2 plus 2H2O gives 2 Na2SO4 plus 4NaOH plus 2S. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Moving to next question, which is question number 68. Let's read it. Select the correct statement among the following. Scandium has highest value of first ionization potential among first transition series elements. Student, this is an incorrect statement as scandium has the minimum first ionization enthalpy among 3D series elements. Moving to next statement. E naught of CO2 plus to CO and E naught of Mn 3 plus to Mn2 plus both are positive. Student, this is also an incorrect statement as the value of E naught of CO2 plus to CO is negative. I'm writing the data of E naught values. So E naught of CO2 plus to CO is equals to minus 0.28 volt. And also I'm writing the data for Mn3 plus to Mn2 plus the value of E naught is 1.57 volt. Moving to next statement. Density of nickel is very less than density of titanium. Student, this is an incorrect statement as density of nickel is more than that of titanium. Moving to the last statement. Zinc has lowest value of enthalpy of atomization among first row D block elements. Student, this is a correct statement. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 69. Let's read it. Number of mole of KMnO4 required to oxidize 0.1 mole of Na2S in acidic solution is. Student, for this question, we need to write the balanced reaction that exists between KMnO4 and Na2S. I'm writing it. 2MnO4 minus plus 5S2 minus plus 16H plus gives 2Mn2 plus 8H2O plus 5S. So it is very clear here 5 mole of S2 minus require 2 mole of MnO4 minus. That means 0.1 mole of S2 minus will require 2 multiplied by 0.1 upon 5 mole of MnO4 minus, which is equals to 0.04. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question, which is question number 70. Let's read it. Identify the product P of the given reaction. So student, let's start. Here we were given a compound in which there was attached CH3 and a Br on the meta position. When NH2 minus attacks on this compound, NH2 minus will attack on the acidic hydrogen, and since the hydrogen para to the methyl group will be more acidic, so this will attack on this hydrogen. this bond will shift here and Br will be eliminated as Br minus. So students, the compounds are formed here, an intermediate is formed which is known as benzyne intermediate. Now NH2 minus will attack on more positive carbon. Since CH3 is an electron donating group, therefore NH2 minus will attack on the meta position and this bond will shift to the para position, and the compounds are formed is CH3. Here it will be NH2 and here it will be negative charge. Now this negative will attack on hydrogen of ammonia. This bond will shift towards the nitrogen and the final products are formed is benzene with CH3 and NH2 at the meta position. So students, it is very clear. Correct answer is option number 2. Moving to the next question, students.